If you love strawberries and a soft pancake, this recipe is about to steal your heart, as this pancake is light, fluffy and is packed with sweet fruity flavors. It's perfect for breakfast, brunch or for a weekend treat. So let me show you how to prepare it. So to make this pancake, I'll be making use of ripe strawberries. You can also choose to make use of the frozen ones if you don't have access to the fresh ones. So I'll be transferring some strawberry chunks into the blender alongside a little water, then allow to blend properly. So in a bowl, I'll go ahead and crack in 1 egg. Egg is actually very important whenever you want to make pancake. So I'll be transferring the strawberry puree into the bowl. If you don't want to blend your strawberries, you can also choose to cut yours into small bite size. So I'll be adding milk alongside with sugar, then mix everything together to combine. So at this moment, I'll be introducing the dry ingredients. We have all-purpose flour, baking powder, milk flavor, salt and vegetable oil. I'll go ahead and mix everything together to combine. The full ingredients and measurements will also be at the description box down below, so please do ensure you check it out. So whenever you add flour to your wet ingredients, try not to overmix your batter to avoid activating gluten, which will make the pancake to be chewy instead of being all fluffy. So this is the consistency of my batter. If yours is too thick, you can go ahead and add little liquid, either milk or water, in order to loosen up the consistency. So I'll go ahead and heat up my pan now on low heat. For pancake, you can choose to make use of a non-stick pan like this or a griddle. So I'll scoop the batter into the pan and allow it to cook for about 2 to 3 minutes. Once bubble begins to form at the top this way, just know that one side is ready. So let's flip it over to see what we have. This is actually looking so yummy. So I'll allow this to cook for about 1 to 2 minutes, remember on low heat. So this is 2 minutes later and our pancake is ready, as you can see. So just go ahead and repeat the same process for the remaining batter. I also have other pancake recipes on the channel like plantain pancake, strawberry banana pancake, and a plain pancake recipe. I'll be adding the links to this video to the description box down below, so please feel free to check them up after watching this video. Remember, as I said earlier on, the full ingredients and measurements will also be in the description box down below, so please do ensure you check it out. So that's it guys, our strawberry pancake is pretty much ready. I'll be adding some strawberries at the side for decor. You can choose to also drizzle honey or a whipping cream to use. So let me know in the comment section if you'll be trying out this pancake recipe. Thank you very much for watching. Please kindly subscribe to the channel if you haven't. Like, share and leave me a comment in the comment section. See you next time with another amazing recipe. Until then, do remember to always eat healthy and stay healthy. Bye bye!